الرحمن الرحيم. أهلا وسهلا بكم طلاب 5th grade، ومعكم مستر محمد يحيى، والنهاردة هنحل من كتاب المعاصر مراجعتنا في Model 2. Our first question is 4.71 plus k equal 9.2. Then k equal what number? K is a variable or unknown. If you want to find the value of variable or unknown in an equation, what should you do? I told you before, it's part plus part equal whole. So if you want to find the missing part, so you will make subtracting whole minus part equal part, the missing part. Mister, if I forgot how to find or how to use whole and part and whole and same like this, what should I do? It's so easy. Okay, how to find the value of variable, what to do. If I forgot, I will tell you something. Let's make an example, exactly same like the given question, but to be simple. Try to be simple. Okay, see, for example, if I'm saying 4 plus what number equal 5. Okay, I hear you say that the answer, Mister, it's 1. Okay, but I want to ask you, what did you do to know it? I told you the question is 4 plus what number equal 5. You informed me or you told me it's 1. Okay, what did you do to know it? Mister, is the inverse operation. What? Inverse of addition is subtracting. Left to right adding, so from right to left you will subtract. So 5 minus 4, it will be 1. It's the same. So 9.2 minus 4.71, 9.2 minus 4.71 equal what number? This is the solution for this equation. So first of all, the most important part, you have to be sure about the decimal point. It must be lined up together in the given numbers. So it's okay. Number 2, check how many digits we have after the decimal point. It's 1 digit. Okay, and the first number. Check the second number, how many digits we have after the decimal point. It's 2 digits, so you have to add 1 0 to the first digit. Then subtract to find the value of k. 0 minus 1, I told you before, if the number by the top, let the number by the floor, go to next door to get 10 more. So 2 will be decreased to be 1 and 0 will be 10. 10 minus 1 is 9 and 1 minus 7 the same. Go to next door, 9 will be 8 and this one will be 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. This is a decimal point and 8 minus 4 is 4. That's it. So the value of k equal 4.49 hundredths. It's finished. Let's move to second question. Our second question is 0 divided by 23. 0 divided by 23. Mister, yeah? 0 is the hero. Really? Yeah. If you divide 0 over any number or multiplying 0 by any number, 0 will be the winner. So your answer will be 0. 0 is the hero. Okay, 0 is the hero. So 0 divided by 23, it will be 0. It's finished. Number C, the factors of 12. You will go to times table. Okay, 12 is 1 times 12. Try to find any two numbers to be multiplied together to get 12. So 1 by 12 is 12, 2 by 6 is 12, 3 by 4 is 12. So factors of number 12 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. That's it. Number D, 0.3 multiplied by 0.2 equal what number? I am going to make an agreement with you. If you find two decimal numbers, he asked you to multiply them together or to get the product of them. Consider it as whole numbers. Consider them as two whole numbers. Then multiply. Then we will check in which place we will put the decimal point. Okay. So 3 by 2 is 6. The decimal point after one digit by the first factor, and after one digit by the second factor, so it will be after two digits. This is the first and we don't have the second, so you have to put it 0, and this is the decimal point, and the 0, it means there is no whole numbers, so your answer is 600. If you forgot to find the product of two decimal numbers, multiply together, what should I do? You have to find the equivalent. For the first decimal number, it's 3 over 10 multiplied by 2 over 10. Don't forget, top by top, 3 by 2 is 6. Bottom by bottom, 10 by 10 is 100. Bottom by bottom and top by top. So it will be 6 over 100. See, 6 will be replaced with the first 0. So it will be 6. And the second 0, there is no numbers, there is no digits to be replaced with, so you will mention the 0. And 1 will be converted to be decimal point, and 0, it means there is no whole numbers, and your product is 600. It's okay. Let's move to the number 15 and 1500. It's in word form. He asked you to find expanded form. What we mean by word form? Word form is just the word. Word form is just the word. Standard form is just the number. Standard form is just the number. So first of all, we have to convert word form to standard form. See, 15 as a whole number and 15 hundredths. So it will be 15.15. Then check how to find expanded form. What we mean by expanded form? Expanded form is to find the value of each digit in the number. Okay, so this is 1. I'm not 1. Who are you? I'm 10. I'm in 10th place. It's okay. Plus 5. You are 5. Yeah. Because 5 in ones place, as I told you before, one's no effect number as that, so 10 plus 5. And this is a decimal point. We will bring 0 from whole numbers. Okay, it's 0 point. Mention the first one, it will be 1/10. Plus 0 point. Replace this one by 0, and it will be 5. So your choice will be number C. Okay, 700 grams. It's equivalent to or equal how many kilogram? If you convert from the smallest unit to the greatest unit, you have to multiply by thousandth. Okay, or divide over 1000. Dividing over 1000, it's equivalent to multiplying by thousands. It's okay. Now, how many gram in just 1 kilogram? It will be 1000. And if you want to convert from the smallest to the greatest, you have to divide over 1000 or multiplying by 1000th. So we will multiply by 1000, 0.001. This is 1000. 700 multiplied by this number. I told you before, forget about the decimal point. Okay, just multiply 700 by 1, it will be 700. And the decimal point, its place will be after 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, and 3, this is the decimal point place. So your answer will be 7/10 or 700,000. It's equivalent. The question is the answer. It will be the first one. It's number A. Number C, it will be 12 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 302 equal 3,624. 3,624. Then 3,625 divided by 12 equal what number? See, this question is very important and you have to take care about everything. Okay, focus about this number 3,625, and this number will be 3,624. What is the difference? The other number increased by 1. So this number divided by 12 equals 302, but if you increased it by 1, so this one will be a remainder. So it will be remainder is 1 and your answer will be 12. So the quotient is 12 and remainder is 1. This will be number B. It's okay. Let's move to number 3. 13 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 15 equal 195. Let's check. It's true or not, right or wrong. So we will use standard algorithm. So 15 multiplied by 13 equal 3 by 5 is 15. 5 and carry up 1. 3 by 1 is 3 and 1 it will be 4. It will be 0. 1 by 5 is 5. 1 by 1 is 1. 1 by 15 is 15. So add them up together. 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 5 is 9 and 1. So the answer will be 195. It's okay. So it's true. Let's move to second one. 999. 999.9 minus 99. It will be 99.99. Okay, decimal point lined up and 2 digits, 1 digit, so you have to add 1 0. It's okay. Let's go to subtract. 0 minus 9. 9 will be decreased to be 8 because 0 is less than 9. So this number will be 10. 10 minus 9, it's 1. And 8 minus 9, this number will be decreased to be 8. And this one will be 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. This is a decimal point. The same. It will be 8, 18. 18 minus 9 is 9, and the same it will be 18 and 8. 18 minus 9 is 9, and you have the remainder is 8. 8 minus nothing, it will be 8. So your answer must be 899.90. Check. It will be 900.900. No, this will be wrong. It's false. Okay, let's move to number C. 345,000 multiplied by 100 equal 234.5. 234.5. Check. As I told you before, you'll consider both of these two given numbers as a whole numbers and multiply, and then we will check where to play the decimal point. 2,002.345, we will consider it 2,345 multiplied by 1. It's a multiplicative identity. Any number multiplied by 1, it will be the same number, so it will be 2,345 and check. Decimal point after 2 digits, decimal point after 3 digits, so you will put it all after 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, you will put 0, okay, to be 5 digits number and 0. So your answer must be this one. 2,340 500,000. So it will be false. And let's move to number 4. 3.7 plus 1.54 equal what number? See, 3.7 plus 1.54. Check this we will add 0 plus 4, it will be 4. 7 plus 5, 7 plus 5, it will be 12. 2 and carry up 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Your answer will be 5.24. It will be number 2. Let's move to number B. 9.1 minus 3.8 minus 3.8. To find the difference, number by the tablet, the number by the floor, so you will get 10 more from the next number. It will be decreased to be 8, and this one will be 11. 11 minus 8, it will be 3, and this is a decimal point, and 8 minus 3, it will be 5. So your answer will be 5.3, and 5.3 is number 3. Okay, it's number 3. Let's move to 0.2 multiplied by 25.3. 25.3. As I told you before, 2 by 3 is 6. 2 by 5 is 10. 0 and carry up 1. 2 by 2 is 4, and 1 will be 5. Decimal point after 1 and 1, it will be 2. 1, 2, it will be there. So your answer will be 5 and 600. It's the first one. Okay. Find GCF and LCM for the two numbers 9 and 12. So 9 and 12. First of all, you have to find all prime factors for both of these two given numbers. So 9 will be 3 times 3. 3 is a prime number, and the other 3 also is a prime number. So it's finished. Any prime number, you have to put it in the circle. Okay. And 12. Check. What number to be multiplied by another number to get 12? It will be 3 times 4. 3 is a prime number, but 4 is even number and not a prime number. The only even and prime number is 2. So we have to factor 4 to its prime factors. So 4 is 2 times 2. 2 is a prime and the other 2 is prime. Now 9 equal 3 times 3. Okay, and 12 equal 3 under 3 times 2 times 2. GCF, the repeated number, okay, the repeated factor, only the repeated factor. So it's 3. LCM, see, the repeated, you will take just one of them. It will be 3 times. And the other 3, repeated or not repeated, you will mention 3, 2, and 2. So your answer, 2 by 2 is 4, 4 by 3 is 12, 12 by 3 is 36. So LCM will be 36 and GCF will be 3. GCF will be 3. Let's move to B. If the perimeter of this shape is 13.5 meters, what does X equals? What we mean by perimeter? Perimeter of any shape, it will be the distance around this shape. Okay? Also, you can say it's the sum of all of its outer sides. If you want to find out the perimeter of any polygon, you have to add all the outer sides, the lengths of all the outer sides of any polygon. So the first side will be, it's a given 4.7, meters, and this one is 3.15 meters, and this is 3.4 meters, and this is x. X is unknown. Okay, we have to find the value of it. He told you that the perimeter is 13.5. So if you add all of these sides up together, you will get 13.5. So 13.5 equal 3.15 plus 4.7 plus 3.4 plus x. It's okay. What number? All of this you have to find the sum by the beginning. So 3.15, 4.7, and 3.15, 4.7, 3.4, 0, 0. Add them up together, 5. 8 plus 4 is 12, 2 and carry up 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11. So the sum of all, it will be 11.25. So we will replace all of these numbers with 11.25 plus x equal 13.5. We want to find the value of x as I told you. Okay, 13.5, it will be 13.5 minus 11.25, 11.25. That's okay. 0, 0 minus 5, 5 will be decreased to be 4. This one will be 10. 10 minus 5, it will be 5. And 4 minus 2, it will be 2. And the decimal point, 3 minus 1, it will be 2. And it's finished. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. So x equal 2.25 meters. So value of x equal 2.25 meters. This is the value of x. شكرا لكم. Thank you all, and I hope it will be useful for all of you. شكرا لكم جميعا، وأتمنى يا رب إن هي تكون